Imagine being in New York on WhatsApp and Paris on Instagram and playing Pokemon Go in Tokyo, all without ever leaving your room. Sounds crazy, right? But it's absolutely possible, and you don't even need a computer to do it. Now you can fake your location on both iPhone and Android in just a few taps. And the best part, no jailbreak, no cables, just one powerful app. Today, I am showing you how to fake your GPS location on both iPhone and Android using a tool app AnyGo, one of the most powerful location spoofing tools out there. What is a tool app? AnyGo. A tool app AnyGo is a professional location changer app that lets you spoof your GPS location on iPhone and Android without jailbreaking and without using a PC. Whether you're using social media, dating apps, access gear-restricted content, or playing GPS-based games like Pokemon Go or Monster Hunter now, AnyGo lets you trick your phone's location with just a few taps. It's fully compatible with iOS 13 to iOS 26 and works with all iPhone models, from iPhone 5 South to the latest iPhone 17. And yes, Android support is now available too, so you can use it across all your devices. Here is how you can use a tool app AnyGo. Step 1. First, download the app from the link in the description or pinned comment below. Once installed, launch the app. Step 2. Open the app and grant location permissions. You'll see your current location on the map. Step 3. Type in the name of the city or enter GPS coordinates. Step 4. Once you have selected the location, hit the teleport button on the map. It really is that easy. No jailbreaking, no wires, and no need for a PC or Mac. Within seconds, your GPS location will be updated. Every app on your phone, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or even games will now think you're in this new location. Only you know your real location. Everyone else sees what you want them to see. Android users, don't worry, AnyGo is also available for Android and just as powerful. You can fake your location with the same features: joystick, movement simulation, multi-spot routes, and speed customization, all with no computer required. Just download the app, follow the instructions, and you're ready to spoof like a pro. If you play games like Pokemon Go or Monster Hunter now, you know how important location is. With AnyGo, you can simulate walking or driving through routes to catch more monsters. The cooldown timer ensures you won't get penalized for moving too quickly. The joystick control lets you navigate freely. No need to walk outside in the heat or rain. This app literally takes mobile gaming to the next level. Is it safe? Absolutely yes. AnyGo does not require a jailbreak, doesn't modify your system files, and is 100% reversible. Want to go back to your real location? Just tap Reset Location in the app, and your GPS instantly returns to normal. Why choose AnyGo? Let's be real. Most other apps only support a few apps, require jailbreaking, risk banning your game account, support only one device, or are just too complicated to use. AnyGo, on the other hand, supports 100 plus apps, works on up to 5 devices, no jailbreak needed, easy to use with a clean interface, and offers unlimited GPS changes. This is why gamers, content creators, and even regular users are switching to AnyGo. Want to try it yourself? Download a tool app AnyGo now using the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Use the coupon code PLAB3OS to get 30% off your purchase. Don't miss out. Teleport your location in seconds. No computer needed. That's it for today. Try it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech hacks like this.